Okay, I know you know how to clap your hand. Head, shoulder, knees and toe, knees and toe. Head, shoulder, knees and toe, knees and toe, and eye and ear and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toe, knees and toe. Ah, what's that, baby? What's that, baby? It is a watch, nghĩa là cả watch. Watch. Do you remember yesterday? What letter, mommy, let you study? It is letter M, right? M, M, M. M, M. Can you say it? M, M. M. M for monkey. M. M for what? M for mouth. M for mother. M for moon. Right? Oh, you love letter M, baby. M, mommy. Yeah, mommy. Yeah. Mommy said mama. Mama. Good job. After letter M, mommy have one more letter, baby. Tan, 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 tan. Letter N. Can you say it, Satipo? N. The sound of letter N say. Can you say it? N. 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 N sound make. Good job. What is this, Satipo? What is this? This is mine. This is yours. It is we call. What's that? You do like it. It is. We used to smell something good or bad. Nose. Good. Where's your nose? Baby, where's your nose? Yeah, that is nose. Can you say it? Nose. Nose. And for nose. And for nose. Nose. Okay, one more. You used to catch the fish. You are so happy. It is called Tetan. Satipong, what's that? Satipong, what's this? What is this? Net. Net. You use it to catch the fish. Okay? Net. And for net. And for net. Mommy have one more for animal place. It is called nest. Can you say it? Nest. Nest. Okay, for the bird. Nest. Nest. And for nest. And for nose. And for net. One more last. Tan, tan, tan. Oh, she's so pretty, right, Satipong? She's so pretty, right, Satipong? Yeah, we call her nurse. Can you say it? Nurse. Nurse. The person who helps you when you're sick or when mommy is sick. Okay? And for nurse. And for nurse. And for net. And for nest. Okay? The sound of letter N say. Can you say? N. 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 Okay, this is nurse. 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 Which one? Nurse. The one who care you when you sick, baby. The one who care you. It is. She's pretty. She's pretty. Nurse. Yeah, she's nurse. You are. Oh, good job. You clap your hand. Well done, baby. She is nurse. She is nurse. Good job. You know how to clap your hand. Congratulations, people. Nurse. Okay, this one nurse. Good job. One more. Nose. Nest. Triple. Nose. Nest. Nose. Nest. Net. Sorry. I say nest. Net. Nose. Net. Nose. Net. Nose. Net. Nose. Which one? Nose. 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 You smell. You smell something. It means when you smell something. This one. Net. Good job. It is no. Throw it again. You always throw my things away after you throw it. Some people. What's wrong with you, some people? Okay. Clap your hand. 1, 2, 3. Good boy. Hello, mommy, daddy, and kid. How are you today? Today English class again. Today we study one more letter. Okay, thank you for your watching all my video. Thank you for your love for mommy and you in my channel. Don't forget subscribe, like and share. If you have any comment, you can comment. Thank you. Bye bye.